Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to take you through the process of assembling the LeArm. Let's start with the first step, assembling the rotating base. Firstly, attach this bracket to the small round bracket using screws and nuts. Here's a quick tip for you. Fix the screws diagonally first to align the holes. Next, install the servo horn onto the other small round bracket with screws. Again, align the holes by fixing the screw diagonally. Moving on to the third step, assemble these two round brackets and the bearing together using screws and nuts, ensuring that the servo horn and the side bracket are facing outwards. The side bracket should be fixed on the top and the servo horn on the bottom. To secure them better, start by fixing one screw first, but not too tightly, and then insert the remaining 3 screws into the hole. Finally, tighten all the screws. Now let's attach LD1501 servo to the big round bracket. The servo gear should be at the center of the round bracket. Moving on, let's assemble these 4 components together. Pass 2 screws diagonally through the holes and put the hollow circle bracket on this component. Then pass the screw through the other hollow circle bracket. Next, pass the remaining 2 screws through the holes. Ensuring all screws are in the cross pattern. Tighten them with dual-pass copper columns. Once that's done, install this component to the big round bracket with single-pass copper columns. Ensure that the servo gear aligns with the servo horn. Come to the last step, secure a screw into the servo horn. Great, the rotating base is now completed. Please watch the next video to continue the assembly process.